Good morning, kindergarten. Oh, I miss you so much. I wish that we were together, and it was such a surprise when I woke up this morning and learned the news that we had to stay home today. But let's make the best of it that we can, and I have prepared a few things for you. And I'm just imagining that we are like sitting together, and I'm looking out, and who do I see sitting at their table, say, or in a circle outside when we've gone out for an outside lesson. And so I'm looking like right here in front of me on this side, I see Cook. Good morning, Cook. And I'm moving around the hexagon, and there's Hugo. Good morning, Hugo. And then we've got Matthias straight out this way. Hi. And Nigel. Good morning, Nigel. And coming around, we have Juan Ignacio, sorry. Just Ignacio with his, I learned that he finished his reading log and is going to get a prize when we come back tomorrow. So I can't wait for that. It's going to be really exciting. And last but not least, right here, nestled on the side of me, kind of in front, is Daniel. Good morning, guys. And so I thought it would be fun to share with your family the Yellow is the Sun song that we've been going over in class. And we haven't really learned it as a song. It's kind of more just like a sing-songy poem or a little bit of a chant. And if you can figure out the actual tune from the PDF I'm sending and want to record it or share it with me back at class, that would be awesome. So it looks like this. If you guys could print that out, or if you just want to look at it on the computer. And we used our fingers, but you could use anything for this that you want. Toothpicks, you could use blocks, you could use beads, you could use leaves, you could use cushions. Yeah, get what you want. Okay, yellow is the sun, and we put our fists up. Yellow is the sun, this is only one. Why is the sky so blue? Let me show you two. Salty is the sea. One more, and it's three. 2 + 1, right there. Hear the thunder roar. Here's the mighty four. And we make a big muscle. Keeping our hand here. Ducks will swim and dive. My whole hand makes 5. Then we start again. Yellow is the sun. 6 is 5 and 1. Or 5 + 1. Why is the sky so blue? 7 is 5 and 2. 5 + 2. Salty is the sea. 8 is 5 and 3. Hear the thunder roar. 9 is 5 and 4. 5 + 4. Am I fitting on there? Ducks will swim and dive. 10 is 5 and 5. 5 + 5. All right. Can't wait to see or hear about what you use and share with us. Then the last part for math, I forgot to mention in the email, but we were practicing counting by tens, and I sent a paper home you could use, and we like to use all our fingers since we just got 5 and 5 makes 10. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's a really kind of speedy way to get to 100. I like that. I just noticing, see the tree in the back, my backyard. I'm in my backyard, by the way. Used to be a really tall tree back there. Got lots of shade here, and it's our neighbor's tree, and they cut it down the other day. Well, there's partially cut down. So we have the stick coming. All right, and okay, now the last piece for math. We've been learning some rhymes that help to make the numbers when we're forming numbers. So I have some paper here. You can get some paper, or you can just do it in the air. Make big numbers in the air, as I say, and say the rhymes with me. Okay, so do you remember what we did for 0? It shows like a little car track, right? And it went, let me try to do it upside down here. And you can do it really big in the air if you like. Around and around and around we go. When we get home, we have a 0. So see if you can make a nice big 0. Around and around and around we go. When we get home, we have a 0. Okay. Ooh, what's my paper doing? Number 1. Get your finger up. Start at the top and down we run. That's the way to make a 1. On paper. Start at the top and down we run. That's the way to make a 1. Okay, what's next? Number 2. Alright. Around and around on a railroad track. 2, 2, 2. I hope that went in the right direction for you. It's hard for me to tell which way is facing for you. Let's do it on paper. Around and around on a railroad track. 2, 2, 2. Actually, it's around and back on a railroad track. 2, 2, 2. Okay, get ready for some trees. Let's go around some trees. Around the tree, around the tree. That's the way to make a 3. On paper. Around the tree, around the tree. That's the way to make a 3. Maybe you could draw some trees in here. And that way, you have trees to go around. Alright, number 4. Down and over, ribbit up, down some more. That's the way to make a 4. Down and over, ribbit up, and down some more. That's the way to make a 4. 5. Down and around, and a flag on high. That's the way to make a 5. Down. Give it a rig belly, down and around. Rib it up and give it a flag. See if we can make a flag flying up here on our 5. Okay. 6. Alright, 6 goes down and around and make a loop. Number 6 makes a hoop. Okay. Whoop. Down and falling down and around and make a loop. Number 6 makes a hoop. Sorry, it's kind of messy up there. Okay, get ready for heaven. I like this one. You guys liked it too when we did it yesterday. Number 7. Across the sky and down from heaven. That's the way to make a 7. On paper. Across the sky and down from heaven. That's the way to make a 7. Did you hear that saw? Someone's doing some work in their yard. Alright, number 8. Make an S. Make an S and close the gate. That's the way to make an 8. Okay, let's get curvy. Make an S and close the gate. That's the way to make an 8. Last one. 9. Make a loop and then a line. That's the way to make a 9. Make a loop up here, kind of a half-page size loop, not a full one like the 0. And then a line. That's the way to make a 9. Okay, that's it for math. Stay tuned for the next video, and I'll try to give you a call today and see how you're doing. Love you lots. Bye.